Yo, so I'm back with it, 100 grams. Hey, so right now I'm on my way to a motherfucking car meet. I'm on my way to a car meet. Supposedly this shit gonna be lit. I saw on the post it said like 300 and some people. So I'm trying to see, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see what's up. And so I'm on my way right now. I'm gonna see how it go. A little cruise and meet. I'll see what's up. I'll see if I separate it in two dependent. It's not too far of a drive. It should only be like 20 minutes. Let me check. I don't even know the address. I'll see how I feel on the meet. If it's lit, I'll record. If it's not lit, I'm not gonna record. If it's lit, I'll record maybe. Cause I don't know how I be feeling with the camera, you know what I'm saying? Having a camera and everybody staring at me, be like, who the fuck is this? Why the fuck is he recording, bro? You know what I'm saying? I don't know how I feel about that, but fuck them. Fuck how they feel, but suck my dick. Yeah. What's it called? Bro, earlier today, we'll maybe really do this shit. Bro, I was in the VC with Mark, bro, and we was watching Quan, bro. He literally just drove behind an Aventador in a video, bro, and he just drove behind it and didn't do nothing, bro. Of course, he got his motherfucking Trackhawk back at the motherfucking Honda. Damn, bro. And what's it called? Yeah, bro. So like, we gonna see how this goes. Little cruise around. You see the tent though. You see the tent. You can't see shit. You can't see shit. Is that a cop? If it's a cop, he gonna suck my dick because I'm gonna take off and he not gonna catch me. Nah, not a cop. And he doing a U-turn. Oh my god, he almost fucking crashed. Hey, I'm gonna put you on. I'm gonna put you on. Oh fuck, I was about to put you onto some tunes. I know I can't play no music because it's gonna copyright me. I know. The non-copyright shit. In the intro, I didn't have my subwoofers plugged in. I got my subwoofer plugged in. I got 110 in the trunk sitting, bumping.
Can you stop calling on my phone with all the shit that you accusing me of? We can talk about last night, but I don't know who I was. All these drugs in my system. We can talk about last night, but I don't know who I was. Yes, I fuck with the bitches, but I'm still in love with you. Sorry, but I love with you, it's around with you comfortable. And I need me, when I need peace. But I'm still hating it, like why you so damn freaky? Tryna fly you out the city to our Yankee. Independent girl, I know you never need me. I fell in love way too hard, we was easy. Someone who gon' treat you like you treat me. But I get jealous, you can't move on. You got shit on your time and I move on. Can't live life cause that's too long.
Life is too long.
Need you for the
Life is too long. And then it's for life is too long. And then it's too long. I think my body had to
if I drop this in the loop. Waiting for me, I'm waiting for weeks since I got places to be. Little baby, choose wine for me, baby, when the nighttime comes.
Nah, bro. Oh shit. But this nigga Dottie, bro. Bro, whoever you got on that feature, like how, but that nigga is tough.
Critics, I'm the realest nigga in it. I was slipping on my pivot, trying to get on top of my business. What I'm sipping got me lifted, ain't no way I got it ceiling. What I'm sipping, if I give it up, I may just be admitted. Oh Lord, come and take me before I kill a nigga with it. Come and take me before I peel a nigga skillet. Oh Lord, I've been feeling like my feelings is the realest. And I've been feeling like my niggas is the realest, is the realest, is the realest.
RPM. Drop a gear. Oh, you hear them pops? Oh my god, bro. I'm gonna start going crazy on the YouTube shit, bro. I'm gonna at least do once a week, bro. And I'm gonna try to go. I don't think I'm gonna be able to go the hood track, the track over there. I know Thursdays it be open Thursdays and Sundays. Thursdays I could race there. I went last time, and it was called. I raced a Honda exactly like mine. Supposedly he was turboed. I beat him. But what's it called? I didn't record, bro. My camera was on low battery, bro. My shit died on me, bro, basically. And what's it called? Yeah, I beat him, bro. I was only there for like an hour, and then I left. But I could record that, and then man, I'm gonna try at least upload like once a week. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do something. Like something like this. If I go out somewhere like this. Oh, I thought we was gonna go under. Right here, it's supposed to be at that Hooters over there. I don't know if y'all can see it. Nah, that's B8, bro. That shit hard. Let's see this other shit. We at the meet right now. There's cops and shit. Nah, that Durango or that track hot, but that shit hard. Nah, someone revving this shit. Nah, that's the motorcycle. Oh, someone got that fat ass turbo, bro. Let's see it go. Nah, let's see what this dude now playing. The Hellcat. But that Durango though. Y'all see that motherfucker? Oh, that shit hard. That shit got. I don't even like lights like that, but that shit hard. Hellcat. Nah, this Camry hard. Nah, that's wild. No more line for it though. Nah, bro. This shit lit, bro. This shit got hella people. Calm shit. Ah, boy, we good. Hey man, that was the end, bro. This the outro. I just left. The meat. This shit up still up there. I just went to pump gas. I'm finna leave. Hey man, hope y'all like it. Subscribe, comment down below. Nah, for real though. Let me know y'all fuck with it. This shit just gonna go up a level every time, bro. You know what I'm saying? Better content, better quality, you know what I'm saying? Better every time. Maybe next time I walk around, but like, and I won't lie, I just gotta gain the confidence really. Cause I feel weird with the camera out and be like, oh my god. Be like, oh my god, dude. Hey guys, type in the chat or not, but like I feel weird, but this is gonna be the outro right here. I'm finna go into this tunnel. Boom, we out. There is helicopters here though. Some shit. So hopefully there's no cops on the other side, because I'm finna go crazy on this tunnel. Look at the camera. Yeah, I knew they was gonna do it. It's a fucking Malibu. Bro, come on. Nah, my shit, I didn't record when I exited out, but my shit went crazy, cause oh my god, that shit is fire.